I have not had a hot meal in 12 hours and 15 days. And the girls, they're there like near the gate or whatever, and I'm just in the bathroom, you know, being cute like usual. But anyways, this floor is so sticky. I am going to go meet up with the girls, and I can't wait to show you all our exciting trip and things we're gonna do in Hawaii. Can't wait for you all to see it. Check out my outfit, you know? Right there, that's just my little bonnet. But yeah. And my nails, y'all. They're so cute. Like, can't wait. See y'all. Trip because she grew. Oh, tell them why you're going to Hawaii.
Because I just graduated from high school and my two big sisters are so nice and they gave me a trip to Hawaii.
Oh,
so lucky.
She is. She's so lucky. She's gonna be good though, y'all, because she's still a baby. So we are here at DTW. The girls, they just grabbed some water, and I am going to show y'all when we actually get on the plane. Our first stop is LA. So that'll be really nice and fun. I'm excited, even though we only go probably inside the airport. I just want to go back to California so bad, but I will probably show y'all some stuff out the window. Yeah, before we board our next one, and I'll keep y'all, you know. Oh, I see a little cool little tram thing. Wait a second. Hey guys, so we made it to Honolulu. This is our 5-over layover before we go to Kona, Hawaii. That's Troy behind me. But yeah, and it's so freaking pretty out here. Oh my goodness. And we're still like walking through the airport, but you can see outside, which is just super awesome. But yeah, I'll like show you guys some more later. Hey y'all, so we made it to Honolulu. No, we can't. But we made it to Honolulu, and right now we are getting ready to go somewhere on Oahu, some strip. Oh, wait, look how long this Hinton is. But yeah, we're getting ready to go somewhere where it's a lot of food options, and we're gonna go there and then choose food. And I'm so stoked about it. I'm hungry. Thank you so much. I have not had a hot meal in 12 hours and 15 days. Okay, I think our ride is here. I'll talk to y'all later. This is so cute. Look at this sun. Just hitting babies. Just arrived to where we're staying. Here's a little view of the room that me and Troy is sleeping in. Let me show y'all the bathroom. You can kind of see it. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. And here is the washer and the dryer. Yeah, here is Linda and Irene's room. And this is what this is Linda and her room. Let me come see their bath. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Nice shower.
Wow.
I like this green.
This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. I like this a lot.
This is nice. I think I'm just gonna share. I'm just gonna share.
Here is the kitchen and the living space. It's cute. I like it. Ooh, it's a little. Ooh, y'all. It is so freaking gorgeous out here, bro. Look at this. It's a little area for us to just sit and chill. I'm probably gonna show you all it earlier in the morning when you can for real see what's going on, but I love it. Guys, here's the resort that we're staying at. Good morning, good morning. Me and Airmats are just taking a walk around this morning. And the pool is beautiful, the air is fresh. Look at the freaking trees. It's so cool here. It's just beautiful. Going to work out with the dogs. It's so freaking cute out here. And I'm making a little bit of salt and pepper tofu, and I got a little rice going in the rice cooker. I'm really excited. It was really fun at the beach, and I'll show y'all how my food look when it's done. Good morning, guys. It's the next day, I think July 7th. I think so. And it's technically day 3 of our trip. Ouch, I am out here by these beautiful trees, basically in the villa that we're staying at. Sorry about my voice. I haven't talked that much this morning, so it's gonna take a little bit before it's normal. But let me show y'all some of these beautiful Hey Troy.
Hey, hey.
And I am really excited. It's 3 miles. I'm traveling. I think I can do it. So I'll show you guys the beach when we get up.
feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still.
To the rainforest. It is really pretty. Like a tattoo shop for aeronauts and Troy. They're getting like hopefully a, what do you call it? A consultation right now. And I'll show you, I think we're gonna come back like later this week, Monday, to actually get their tattoo. I'll show y'all that. I'm excited for them, but I ain't getting no tattoo. Like, I will cry. But I'm so happy, and I'll show you guys like if they start sketching or drawing it right now, or maybe I'll save it. But I'll let you guys know later. Bye. Done getting their consultation.
Rotate your hip. Do it again.
So we are going to some type of restaurant tonight, and it is so beautiful. Let me show you what it is. Southernmost Bakery, and it's pretty cool. Of course there are no vegan donuts, but I just got one at this vegan restaurant called, what's the name of it? Called Herbivores, and it was really good. I got some nachos. I'll probably show y'all a little picture of those. They were really good, and it was so big. Like, of course I couldn't finish it, but look at the views, they're popping. It's so cute. Hey guys, so it is day 8 and I'm tired. We have 2 more days before we go home, and right now we're at this place that Aloha Mix Food Truck Cafe, and we're heading to a volcano, and I think that's super cool. But right now we have Ermat, she's getting a acai, and Ellen and Linda, they are getting some sweets from the bakery, Southernmost Bakery in the US. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated and show you the volcano later. Peace. What are we in, Ellen? The lava what? Lava tubes. This is Hey guys, so this is the 9th day of our trip, day 9, and the girls, they went to explore the northern part of the island. I stayed here because I be having bad PMS, so I wanted to stay here and rest. So I'm just chilling in the living room of our condo, villa, whatever. Yeah, I'm just resting here. That's what I've been doing today. Tonight we have this hula thing though, where we're gonna like go to a place where the girls hula, do the hula, and watch the show. They'll be providing dinner for us. Hopefully I can eat what's there. I'm sure I've said this 1,000 times already, but Hawaii is not vegan friendly at all. So it will be hard for you to find anything vegan. Yeah. I was laying here watching Grey's Anatomy. I never watched it before, but all my friends back home, a lot of them talk about like how much they love it, how they're just so obsessed with Grey's Anatomy. And one of my friend, her little sister was watching it here, and I was watching an episode of it, and I was like, this good, I want to watch. So she started me from the beginning. So that's what I've been doing, chilling, watching Grey's Anatomy. I can't wait to go home, soak these bad babies off, get a new foot set, or do my little press on, see how my press ons do. Hey guys, so right now we're actually at this Manta Ray place. I think Captain something and Captain Cook. I remember making, okay, no mind. Captain Hook. Anyways, we are here and
This is our hotel.
I wish it was. It's so gorgeous. But we're here waiting on our friend Linda. She's out there in the ocean looking for some manta rays, you know, or whatever. That life ain't for me, but it is what it is. And it looks kind of cool. I'm gonna show y'all footage of like the ocean and stuff and how it's looking. I'm scared. Like, who wanna be in the ocean with some manta rays? Not me. But yeah. So it is the last day at our villa, basically condo, and I'm all ready to go. I'm excited. I'm packed up. It's been fun. Our plane does not leave until 8 p.m. tonight though, so you'll see more of me probably just chilling in the car because my PMS is bad and I'ma just rest. I think the rest of the group, they're going on like a little hike to see a beach, but I'm be chilling with my headphones and my phone, just chilling. But I'll show y'all the views and stuff and when I get to the airport tonight. So see y'all later. It's slowly coming to an end. Hey guys, so we are at this really cool like outdoor market shop. We stopped at some historical national park. It's beautiful. I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce it, but it's supposed to be fish in the water. I haven't seen one yet, but I'll see one eventually and I'll show you guys it. Ooh. Look at my little shoes. They destroyed. They'll never be the same again. So hey guys, so I made it to the airport. They changed my second flight to later. So all of my friends, they've gone home basically, and my flight is different. But now I have food like there. Okay. But now I have like a few hours to just kill, just chilling and journaling and reflecting on this trip and a lot of things. So I'm really happy for that. Otherwise, I think this is where I'm gonna end the vlog now. I might show y'all me at home, but yeah, like I'll be home in what, like 10 hours? I don't even know with the time difference and everything. But yeah, and I'll let y'all know when I get there. Maybe I'll insert a clip, but as of now, love you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and talk to you later. Peace out, homies.